Huzzah! Okay, all right. Behind the schemes, we're back post Oshkosh, and we are so excited to start getting ready for next year. We've got a lot of projects that are moving in the right direction. We've got the bubble airplanes going in for buffing. We've got the Sling TSI going in for its final stripe application, and we've got base coat going on the upcoming planes to start striping them. So anyways, we've got a really good week. The team came back healthy, rejuvenated, recharged after the air show. You know, you go there and you kind of get all this exciting stuff and momentum and gets everybody pumped up. So that's where we're at this week. It's going to be a good one. It's a little hot. We got to readjust to the humidity, but honestly, you know, I can breathe. I don't have to drink water anymore because all the water is in the air.
So how was Osh?
Oshkosh went really, really well. It was a great show. There were some new airplanes there to check out. For us, the event was really great. We saw a ton of customers came by, said hi. We actually had some huzzahs coming by, so the real ones out there, you know who you are. So thank you for coming by and saying hi, and also for telling us thank you for the channel and that you like the content. That was really cool to see. So thank you guys that stopped by and said hello. Our existing customers came by, hung out. We had a cool party Wednesday night, lots of pizza and beer. That was a blast. And yeah, we made some new customers, lined up some new projects, so that we're excited about. We had 2 award winners. We had 2 airplanes entered this year for judging and got 2 trophies with those aircraft, so that was really cool too. Just you know, icing on the cake, really. Anyways, it was a good week. We're happy to be back.
You gonna ask some questions about Oshkosh?
Yeah, y'all have fun?
Hell yeah, so let me cheese curds.
It was y'all's first Osh too, wasn't it?
Well, mine.
Sweet.
The weather there was extremely pleasant. Now I'm sweating now. It's uncomfortable here. But,
You miss it.
I do, especially the taco cheese curds. Cheese curd tacos.
Ooh.
Yes. Very delicious.
How was it for you, Eric?
Everybody good?
Yeah.
Especially the ladies.
Ladies love Rios. So how was Oshkosh, David?
It was good. Good weather. Cool, nice. Talking to friends.
Lots talking about airplanes.
Don't get any better. But now we got work. Double time.
Yeah, I asked all the boys and they all said, cheese curd tacos. That's pretty much
That's about it.
all I'm pumped about.
Yeah, I mean, I don't generally stand around and talk about cheese curd tacos. They are good, but I mean, there's better stuff to talk about.
Scotty, I want cheese curds
Oh no.
falling from the ceiling right now.
I've had so many complaints about Sprite in my mouth.
David eats razor blades for breakfast without any milk. All right, it's a very important day in Evoke history, and it probably will not go in the vlog, but what's happening, Chris?
Second burning with glorious purpose.
All right, here we go.
So for the past many weeks, Chris and I have been once a day taking about like 3 minutes of our time to draw a Pokémon from memory. And we have officially reached 151. Some of them have been really good. Some of them have not. What?
Hell do that.
There it is. 151 Pokemon, all ending with Mew. Oh, and Spider-Man's here too. Wall's looking good, Scott.
Well, thank you, man. I tell you, it's been an adventure. about to wrap it up. I'll be glad of it. It does make a big difference, I think.
Yeah, it looks better.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So in a situation like this where it might not, fit perfect, you just got eyeball or?
You mostly eyeball. Had some extra graphics cut because I needed this bottom stripe to sweep down onto this fairing, but I also needed that top stripe to go up to the top, and it just wasn't the right size. So pulled U stripes here, cut a new top of the graphic, put it up there, and then move that up a little bit to compensate for the difference. I don't know, man. Business as usual.
All right.
Yeah.
Don't want to leave you out, Scotty. Sorry. Let's move an airplane before it gets hot. Yeah, let's get this thing to the top hanger before it gets warm. You ought to start buffing.
Sound like a winner.
Let's see if we can buff in 3 days. Was it Thursday, Friday?
Put you back into it, Billy.
No. Put your lower back into it.
I'm just gonna sit here. Well, look, they don't even need my help. I need Out comes the fun part.
Yeah, what is this part?
This part is these rivets.
Oh, yay.
Not a big deal. Do a little nip tuck around each one. Slice the vinyl so it will lay down. Take a little confetti piece of foil tape.
Is there a reason we do the foil instead of just the normal tape?
Foil is stickier and it holds its shape better.
Okay. It looks like a crime scene. Jet, are you good, buddy?
Poor Jet's had them the dog days of summer.
He's had a long day.
He's helping me hold down that stencil so it doesn't blow anywhere.
Aww.
What we need to do? Come on. Come on, everybody.
We need a little
I've
monster.
said like 3 times, let's go to work. Everybody's still standing here. Nobody wants to go to work yet. Everybody's like,
I'm technically working right now.
everybody's like, okay. Come on, guys. The quicker we get started, the quicker we get over with.
Gotta go.
We gotta go. Get them fired up, Billy.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, I missed them again.
Mr. Miyake style.
I missed them. I'll get them next time.
So what's game plan for today?
Game plan, same as we do every day.
Try to take over the world.
Trying to take over the world. Got a couple planes to paint. Got to throw down some base coat. Throw down some primer on another project. PC9 and do some buffing.
Oh,
That's it, Scotty. That's it. We're gonna close out the Friday strong. What's up, Scotty?
hey Jonathan, it's just time for a question of the week.
Oh, how convenient.
Yeah, because we're right by the air compressor already. So someone just wants to know, what size air compressor do you need to run several paint guns and DAs at the same time? What type of air dryer do you use, etc., etc.? Basically, what's our setup like?
So, luckily we're standing right here in front of the belly of the beast. This is the beating heart of the paint shop here. So this is an Ingersoll Rand. This is our compressor setup. So this is a 3-phase, 220, 230 volt air compressor. It has 65 CFM output. I would honestly say that it's a little more than that. We've got 30,618 hours on this bad boy right here, and it's done really, really good. We've had it for like probably 8 or 9 years. You know, we just keep it serviced and operational and do regular maintenance on it, change the oil, that sort of thing. It just keeps going, so it's been a good unit. But yeah, this is the heart here. So this is putting out enough air to run all of our boosts. So, you know, we have 2 larger 20 by 60 boosts. Then we've got the 80 by 60 curtain wall boosts, and it basically runs everything in the whole operation. We can run as many DAs and paint guns as we need to. Generally speaking, we don't have anybody, you know, 6 painters at once has definitely happened, and this thing will keep up with that. But yeah, for the most part, we've never ran this thing past its capacity. So even with a full team in here working, this thing's been awesome. Dryer setup, so we've got a refrigerator system that's hooked up to the compressor. We're drying the air right outside of the compressor. So straight from the tank into the dryer. So this is like a refrigerant dryer, and it's gonna be pulling any moisture or anything out of the air. Secondary to that, we've got just another little secondary dryer here, and then our air lines are running up, and then those are just splining out to all of our boosts. So we've probably got 20 air outlets. So you can hear this thing kick on behind me. It's pretty quiet too. It's not too bad. I mean, we're standing right next to an air compressor. Generally, you wouldn't be able to talk next to any of them. And this thing runs and operates pretty quietly. It's nice to have it inside, outside of the elements. Without this thing, we are dead in the water. If we get a power outage or the air compressor goes out, we are hand sanding and we are shut down. So we got to keep this thing operating and
Awesome. And that
going.
was the question.
You're not done yet, Scotty.
Oh, is there more?
No, I'm just kidding.
Shades.
Shades.
Yeah.
Yeah, Maverick.
That's how our future's so bright. Gotta wear shades.
That's right. It's blinding light.
All right, thank you guys for watching another episode of Behind the Schemes. We had a little bit of a short week. It's the week after Oshkosh, but we appreciate you watching and seeing what we got going on. We are getting back in the swing of things. So anyways, we're going to see you next time. Like, subscribe, comment. We love you. We'll see you. Peace. Paint something.
Then more cheese curds.